Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Back with me DJ Lala para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Unang punto ng Byaheng di lang ikaw. You know what they say na sa isang relasyon merong mas. Mas nagmamahal, mas nagbibigay, kaya madalas mas nasasaktan. This usually happens when may isa sa magkarelasyon na ang iniisip lang ay sarili niya. No doubt, capable siyang magmahal. But when it comes to expressing their love, when it comes to dealing with problems, sila yung mas nangangailangan ng atensyon at aruga. Sometimes okay naman to kasi may mga tao talagang gusto yung feeling of being needed. But as time goes by, they will feel drained. Yung providing of help and care kasi one side lang Isa papunta sa isa, walang pabalik. Love, I know you need your partner. I know you think na mas malakas siya, kaya sa kanya ka sumasandig. Pero love, they need you too. They cannot afford to lose themselves for loving you. Don't make it hard for them to take care and be there for you. You have to give back. Kapag hindi maganda yung mood mo, kapag hindi maganda yung nangyayari sa'yo, ask yourself, sa kanya ba okay? Is there anything my partner need? Before my own struggles, baka mas kailangan niya ako ngayon. Kasi love, huwag ka nang lumayo sa kabilang ibayo ng mundo. Minsan yung pinagdadaanan mo, hindi mo lang napapansin, pinagdadaanan din ng partner mo. So stop being self-centered. Stop hoarding all the attention and focus inside that relationship. Learn to give if you enjoy the feeling of taking. Lahat ng bagay na uubos kabisyo, even love. Huwag mong ingatan, huwag mong pahalagahan, mauubos at mauubos din yan. Klaro? Ikalawang punto ng ating biyaheng di lang ikaw. A lot of people take things for granted, even take people for granted dahil iniisip nila, you will never find someone like me. Well, love, you're right. Wala naman talagang someone like you, but they can have someone better than you. Yan ang madalas na nakakalimutan ng tao. Mapakaibigan, karelasyon, trabaho. If you think you are irreplaceable, confidence is admirable, but you're wrong. Kapag hindi mo binigyang halaga at importansya kung anong meron ka, no matter how highly you think of yourself, you will be replaced. Di lang ikaw, love, ang may kayang gawin ng lahat ng ginagawa mo. Someone can even do it better than you with less attitude. So kapag may ginagawa ka or role na kailangan gampanan, treat each day like it is your last. Give it your all. Give it your best. Because the only way to make something or even someone stay in your life ay kapag nararamdaman nilang you want them enough to take good care of them while you still can. Klaro? Love, aawat muna tayo sa ating biyaheng di lang ikaw kasi meron tayong isang kabisyo na nakiangka sa ating biyahe for tonight. Ito na ang ating Byahe Sender of the night na nag-send ng kanyang problema sa ating FB page DJ Lala Banderas. Ito ang biyahe ni RM. Hello Miss Lala, hopefully mapansin niyo po ito. Need ko po talaga ng advice niyo kasi parang feeling ko nababaliw na po ako sa ex ko. By the way, I'm beks. 20 years na. Meron po akong naging ex na hindi ko alam kung ex ko ba talaga. Way back 2018, nagkakilala po kami sa isang computer shop. Lagi po kasi akong nandun, naglalaro ako ng Crossfire. Then nagulat po ako pagka uwi ko sa bahay, merong nag-friend request sa akin sa Facebook. Tas parang kilala ko siya. Siya yung lalaking laging nasa likod ko pag naglalaro ako. Cute siya, matangkad, maputi. To make the story short, naging parang magjowa kami ng 3 months. Hindi niya po ako niligawan. Walang nangyaring ganon. Pero nagchat siya sa akin ng I love you sa 3 months po na iyon. DJ Lala, feeling ko po talaga magjowa kami. Then dumating na po yung araw na kinatatakutan ko na baka one day iwan niya ako. Then eto na po, wala man lang po siyang pinaramdam na ayaw niya na sa akin. Bigla niya na lang po akong iniwan at blinak sa social media. Then tinanggap ko na lang po kasi parang puppy love lang yung ginawa niya sa akin or nagtrip lang siya. Pero sa 3 months na yon, ang dami ko pong memories sa kanya. Lalo na po kapag tuwing pupunta siya sa bahay namin para sunduin ako kasi maglalaro na kami ng computer. Then until now, siya pa din po ang nagpapakilig sa akin. Walang gabi po na hindi ko siya naisip. Hindi ko po alam kung bakit hanggang ngayon andito pa din ako para sa kanya. Hindi ko din naman po masisi yung sarili ko kung bakit siya pa din. Sana po mabigyan niyo ako ng advice. Hi RM, didiretso na ako. Love ha, I'll give it a go in two possible scenarios. One is baka nung time na naging kayo, he's still not out. You know what I mean? Hindi pa siya fully accepted or hindi niya pa fully accepted yung preference niya. Loving you or having feelings for you opened a door for him na he wasn't really ready for. Nung una siguro for him, it's liberating, it's fun, it's exhilarating, but nung lumalalim na yung feelings at nagiging malinaw na yung direksyon ng nararamdaman niya, somehow nagkaroon siya ng cold feet na, wait, teka, am I ready for this? Gets mo ko? Kasi back then, bata pa kayo and dealing with the issue of your identity and preference is somewhat still on its early stage. So, kaya siguro ikaw yung hung up pa din sa kanya hanggang ngayon kasi even back then, you were already sure of who you really are. And it pains for you to realize na yung fondest memory mo of you guys being together ay ang period of confusion for him. Second scenario, my love. Kung ang sitwasyon naman ay hindi DJ Lala, out na siya noon pa, then you'll fall under the category of nagmahal, nagbigay, iniwan. Plain and simple. Andyan pa kasi sa'yo, love, yung feeling na it's not yet over. Kasi nga, nabinbin siya, naudlot, walang closure. But gaya nga ng sinabi ko noon about closure, sometimes, it is what it is. Yun na yung closure. The fact na sa kabila ng magandang pinakita mo sa kanya at saya ng naging pagsasama nyo, hindi ka man lang niya nirespeto enough without a decent goodbye should tell you what kind of a person he truly is. I say na even if it is puppy love, still, a decent goodbye would suffice, regardless kung gaano kayo kabata. If you think you were mature enough na sabihin ang mga salitang I love you, you must also be knowledgeable enough as well kung ano ang ibig sabihin yan at kung gaano kabigat ang mga katagang yan. So RM, what you are feeling right now is not love. It's the feeling of not having a closure. Unfinished business, kumbaga. Yun lang yun, nothing more. Since ikaw, RM, yung mas naging mature na tumanggap at humarap sa sitwasyon habang ang naging solusyon niya ay tumakbo, initiate the closure. Ikaw na ang tumapos ng bagay na sinimulan at tinakbuhan niya. Be the better person sa inyong dalawa and set yourself free. He did not even say goodbye before. What makes you think he'll do it now? Diba? Maturity doesn't always come with age, my love. I guess siya pa din yung batang siya na walang respeto sa nararamdaman ng iba. So be the one to let go, not for the sake ng memory ninyong dalawa. Do it for yourself. Klaro? I hope RM nakatulong ako sa iyo and I hope makamove on ka na. 2018 pa yon. Anong petsa na te? Let go be! Kaya mo yan, Adja. Okay? At syempre, ikaw kabisyo kung katulad ni RM, meron ka ding problema and you want to seek some advice from me, all you have to do ay isend yan over at my Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas, or text me sa ating Byahe text line 0917-851-4329. Again, 0917-851-4329. Love, mukhang eto na naman tayo sa dulo ng ating biyahe. Gagarahin na po ang biyaheng di lang ikaw. Huling punto that I want to make before we end the show. Para sa mga taong laging depressed, stressed out, inaatake ng anxiety, love, gone are the days na hindi ka nauunawaan ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Internet has indeed paved the way in order for people to be informed about various cases of these and how crucial ang effect nito sa isang individual. But I know there are cases na medically diagnosed and there are some na hindi. So please, for you to be understood properly by the people around you, get some help, love. Professional help. There's no shame in it. The reason as to why I'm saying this, kasi in special cases like this na may pandemya, sangkatutak na load of stress ang pinagdadaanan ng karamihan sa atin. You cannot rely on them all the time to be there for you or to understand you at all times. They need some help too. And they won't get through it if they will always look after you. Love, di lang ikaw yung hirap ngayon. I'm so sorry but that's the truth. You need to find it within you the strength to pull yourself together. Samahan ka man ng iba o hindi. Cause right now, real talk lang, my love, they need to fight their own demons too. Klaro? Nako, sa mga kabisyo natin, I think that's it for me tonight. Maraming salamat po for sticking with me sa 3 hours of our show. And of course, if you like my show, pwede kang manood ng mga previous episode ng aking biyahe sa YouTube channel ng Love Radio Manila. Or you can follow me on my socials, DJ Lala Banderas on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Laika, and TikTok. Nakasama niyo po ngayong gabi. My name is DJ Lala and you are still tuned in or you were tuning in sa aking programang Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso ng 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang. Good night everybody. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye! Love you!
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.